Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Get ready to satisfy your cravings on this lively night food tour through Ueno's Ameyoko market. This tour kicks off in the evening, allowing you to experience the area's most energetic and deeply local atmosphere. Follow your guide through the bustling streets to authentic eateries cherished by locals, the kind of spots you might feel uncomfortable entering on your own. You'll sample a variety of classic Japanese tastes, from snacking on a hot, savory croquette to indulging in creamy matcha ice cream as you wander. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. As one of Japan's most vibrant shopping streets, Ameyoko is full of surprises. To finish off the perfect evening, your guide will take you for a delicious bowl of ramen. Join this tour to find food and souvenirs that will delight you and enjoy a truly local, hassle-free experience. Dive into the electric nighttime atmosphere of Ueno's Ameyoko, one of Japan's most vibrant markets. Feast on authentic local food at eateries loved by locals, places you might hesitate to enter on your own. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Sample a variety of Japanese flavors, from savory hot croquettes to creamy matcha ice cream, all while exploring the bustling streets. Enjoy a stress-free experience as your friendly guide leads you to the best hidden gems and foodie spots. Top off your evening with a delicious, comforting bowl of ramen, just like a local. Discover unique foods and souvenirs that will surprise and delight you in this energetic market. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series.
Okay.
Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.
Ueno